To make an appointment, you're going to want to go to the Writing Center website and click on Schedule a Writing Center consultation. Here, if you already have had an appointment in the Writing Center or been through a class orientation where you filled out a form, you may already have a password will have been sent to you via email. It's probably Writing Center 1 with a capital W. If you've never been here before, however, you want to register an account if you've never had an appointment. We ask that you put your MSU Denver email address here and then fill out the rest of the information, and uh, you'll be able to get into the system. Now, I'm going to go ahead and choose a schedule. I'm going to choose King Center as the default, and I'm going to click Stay Logged In. Once you've done that, then every time you come back here, you'll see the same screen. Once you're in here, make sure that you have the correct Writing Center location, since we do have several. It's going to default to the King Center, but if you want to be in the admin building, Central, Plaza, Student Success, Science, those are all available as well. And then make sure you're in the current week. Something I sometimes forget to do. Click current week. And then what you want to do is you want to look for white space. And you'll see that there's a couple little like 15-minute blocks open. Those aren't going to be any good. We want a 40-minute appointment. So that's where you're going to be looking for when you're down here. So it looks like the first appointment available in the King Center this week, for example, is going to be at 10 a.m. So if I click on that, then I need to make sure that I change from 10 a.m. to 10:15 to make it to 10:45, because again, someone else might then be able to take over the rest of that appointment, and you want the whole appointment to yourself. Choose freshman, sophomore, junior, senior, etc. Type of appointment. Usually, writing consultations pretty simple. The course the assignment is for. This will help us keep track of what departments we are helping students with. But of course, if you're doing something that's not for a course, obviously click on no course, because of course I really want to look at faculty writing, or no, resumes and cover letters. That's it. And it's due on Monday. And you can write anything in here you want us to know. So this is a really rough draft, and I'm going to need help with formatting. That way your consultant will have a sense of what you're there for before you get in there. And then I'm going to click Save Appointment, and it's going to send me an email confirming that I have made this appointment. Also, if you look down here, you'll see that it's yellow. Sometimes it's yellow, sometimes it's green, depending on your screen. And that is going to show all of the appointments that you have made. If you have any questions, please give us a call at the Writing Center. Thank you.